Thank you for reaching out to 3i. Today we're going to show you how to install your vehicle banner. First thing you want to make sure is that your window is clean, next to your Maroni label, factory sticker. Second, apply the solution on the window. Place your vehicle banner on the window. Next step, you want to peel the backing off of your sticker and reapply wet. So now it's suctioned on there, it's not going to go anywhere. Grab your squeegee, flip it over, make sure it's aligned straight, rub it down with your hand, and simply squeegee on. Then take your rag and dry off your car. It's as easy as that. Thank you.